Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend, and I'm really super excited today to share you my SBI cash and futures trading strategy. Yes, this strategy can be done both in cash as well as in futures. People those who are having very low fund, who are having very who are starting trading can start with a small fund of even 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees by doing the cash strategy, by doing the SBI cash, and also in case if you're having too much of fund, you can do in features. So I'll be giving full details about the strategy, how to enter, how to exit, how to keep stop losses, how to keep target, and this is best suited for working people because you just have to place a single order and nothing else to be done for the entire day. And you all know that my strategies are well made for working people. Just have to place the order and then just leave. Don't even have to look into the screen again and again. This is one of the challenge which many working people are facing. Okay, so let us see what the strategy all about, and also have done the back testing also. So I'll give you the Excel sheet in case if you need it, or if you want you can try it for yourself. The logic is very simple. It's very logical as well. Okay, the full details I'll give you. You can stay tuned till end of the video. Yeah, just before going forward, just want to give you a quick update about my ATF mentorship program. It's been very super successful because almost everyone, those who started off this program, we almost started in the month of December and we observed it for 6 months, and many of them were able to achieve success in this. So then we have continued with this program, and I'm really happy that it's helping a lot of people. Yes, I agree. Trading success is not only about strategy, because I have been uploading lots and lots of strategies, but many people were not able to make money. That is the reason which inspired me to start this mentorship program, because in this program I'm concentrating more on money management and winning psychology. That is nothing but trading discipline. Okay, so in case if you feel you need a mentor, in case if you feel you need a friend who can support you, who can guide you, who can stay along with you for 6 months and then guide you or motivate you and show you the path to how to make success in trading, then you can always subscribe to this program. It's called as ATF mentorship program, and ATF stands for Angel Trading Friend. And so please don't ask me which strategy I am teaching in this, because as I told you, strategy is not important at all. The concepts are very unique and it's very secretive. It's something which rarely many people uses, and now after I teach, after when I'm teaching this, many are coming to know that trading can be done in this way as well. So it is something which is very unique. You can try it as well. So in case if you want to start this, you can always WhatsApp on my number. I have given my WhatsApp number here. It's 8095876525. Just ping me on my WhatsApp and then I'll send you the details, and we can kickstart the mentorship program as well. Fine. So now coming back to the challenges of working people, as I always discuss in my videos, it's nothing but they're not able to monitor the screen always. Yes, this is point number one. And second thing is that after the order triggers, they're not able to keep target and stop losses. So these challenges will be covered in our today's strategy as well. So you don't have to look into the monitor always, and also you don't have to place the target and stop losses as well. Fine. Okay, so now what is this SPI strategy all about? The logic is that we will be buying and selling at 1 hour resistance and support. So by now you would have come to know what it is all about, what logic we are going to use, but how to use it and what's the success ratio, all those things you'll be coming or you'll be knowing. Stay tuned till the end. Okay. So what we can do is keep alarm at 10:15 a.m. You don't have to look into your screen always. And why I selected this 10:15 is, friends, because most of the time around 9:15, 9:45 and 9:30, all those time the market is very volatile, and most of the time there is a lot of panic, a lot of tension, all those things. So at 10:15 what happens is we are completely relaxed. The market will be stable. It will be moving in one direction. So that is why we have selected this a particular time of 10:15. Okay, and also most of the people, they have their offices starting at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock, if you are trading, it will be very difficult for them to log into their mobile and all those things. So by 10:15 what happens, they're already settled in their offices, and then they can just take a 5 minutes break, quickly place the trade and then just leave. Now how are we going to place the order? Okay, yeah, what you have to do is just two things at all. That's all. At 10:15, keep a buy order at high of the 1 hour candle. So by 10:15, you know that your first 1 hour candle will be completed. So the first candle starts at 9:15 and ends at 10:15. So just look at the high and the low price of this 1 hour candle. Okay, I'll just show you the graphs. So you can see that I have opened the SBI chart, and very simple. I have just taken the 1 hour candle. You can take the 1 hour candle. I'm just expanding it little. Simple normal candles, yes. So you can see this is the first candle. You can see the time coming in this bar. You can see that It opens at 9:15 and closes at 10:15, and you can see that the high price and the low price also is mentioned in this. The high price is 274.50 and the low price is 268.50. So as per what I have thought in this is just keep two orders. Keep a high price order, buy at a high price. We can see this is the high price. Keep a buy order here and keep a sell order here. That's all you have to do. That is what I had mentioned in this Excel. Yes. Keep a buy order at the high of the 1 hour candle and keep a sell order at the low of the 1 hour candle. Being a working professional, you don't have to come and look into your screen again at all. Yes. So what you can see here is the next candle triggers the buy price. We can see low price is not triggered. Only the high price has been triggered. So the order gets activated. And then once this order gets activated, that is the buy price gets activated, then the sell automatically becomes your stop loss. So you don't have to again come back and place the stop losses and all those things. And also the target we are going to leave till end of the day. So this is the candle which starts at 2:15 and gets over at 3:15, and you all know that in an MIS order, in an intraday order, the order gets closed at 3:15 to 3:20. So that is why for a calculation purpose I have taken the end of 3:15. Okay, so it is more convenient for us. So you can see that this candle gets over at 3:15, and this is where we will be booking a profit. So if at all you are using Zerodha, I would recommend you to keep alarm at 3:15 and close your order at 3:15. Otherwise what happens is they will charge you for auto closure as well. Hope you are aware of this. In Zerodha they charges you. In I'm not well aware about other brokers, but it's well and good 3:15. If at all you have free, you can just exit your order at 3:15. So hope you have got the concept. It's very simple. Keep alarm at 10:15 a.m. and keep a buy order at 1 hour candle and keep a sell order at the low of the 1 hour candle. And as I told you, stop loss, the buy and sell are auto stop loss, because if one triggers, the other will become the stop loss. And target we can run till end of the day. You don't have to close your target. Now let me just show you the backtested data which I have done calculations. You can see it's very easy, very simple. Okay, you can test it for yourself, or if you want you can do live testing as well. So I'll just do you for this September month and show you. It's really beautiful, excellent, best suited for working people. So we are just noting the high price and the low price, nothing else. So on 20th September, let us go to 20th September. This is 20th September. You can see the date as 20th September. And you can see that the high price is 274.50. I have taken the same thing, 274.50. Our low price is not triggered, and we are taking the close price only. And the close price, you can see the close price is clearly mentioned here. It is 301.65. Okay. So we are closing it at 301.65. Yes, you can see it is closing at 301.65. So thereby the profit is almost 301 minus 274, that is 27 points. So you might say that yes, because of the tax announcement there was big movement on 20th, but let's go more back and see how the strategy is performed. Yeah, so you can see the date. This is on 19th, and you can see the high price is not triggered, the low price is triggered here. The low is 274.70. that is why I have taken here 274.70. yeah, and you can see the close price here is 273.55. so it is closing at 273.55. you can see easily we made 1.15 points profit. The same way you can see on 18th September. Let me come back again. Yeah, so this is, you can see the date is 18th September. Here again you can see the high price and low price. The low is not triggered, but the high is triggered here in this particular candle. So the high price was 278.90. I have taken same thing, 278.90, and the close price, yeah, the close price is 280.55. you can see it as 280.55. okay, thereby giving a profit of 1.65. friends, it's excellent, very easy. You can just try for yourself. It is very simple. I have done the back testing and it is very easy. I showed you how it has to be done. You can see that almost we have made 50.65 points in the month of September alone. So in case you know that one lot of in case if you're trading in future, you know one lot of SBI is close to 3000 shares. So if you are multiplying by 3000 into 3000, so you can see almost 81,450 rupees profit. So I'm not calculating. Okay, let us remove this because you know that day was exceptional trade, but otherwise normal day also into 3000, you can see that we have made a profit of 3,450. It's so simple, so very easy, and the results are beautiful. I'll just copy paste it for the entire day. Yeah, and you can see that the profit is almost close to 70,000 rupees with single lot. So this is the powerfulness of the strategy, friends. Very easy, very simple. So just try it out for yourself before going forward. In case if you feel that any confusion or anything, you can WhatsApp on my number and you can take the file and test it for yourself. It's very simple. Try it, give it a try. And also, in case if you want to start with equity cash, start trading with 10 shares. So you hardly lose anything in that. Try it for 1 month and see the difference. You will find it is very best suited for working people. Okay, friends. So in case if you like this video, please do press the like button, and also in case if you want like this regular strategies for working people, very simple and easy strategies, don't forget to press the subscribe button in my channel. It's best suited for working people. Okay, friends, and in case if you want the backtested file, as I already told you, you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. And also, in case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. Okay, friends, so have a nice day.